At HiQA, we're passionate about simplifying and automating manufacturing quality. We help companies like yours streamline collaboration, both internally and across your supply chains. Now, through our partnership with Innometric, we're taking this mission even further. Together, we're weaving a digital thread that connects your quality and manufacturing teams, empowering them to work smarter, faster, and with greater accuracy. Let's take a closer look at how this partnership transforms the manufacturing quality lifecycle. The process begins when a customer sends you a new part. With HiQA software, your engineering team can instantly balloon the drawing and create a detailed inspection plan for each manufacturing operation. But how do you share these quality requirements with your CMM programmers? Introducing HQA Connect. This powerful tool bridges the gap between your teams. Now your programmer can open an interactive balloon drawing, select characteristics, and automatically sync them to PolyWorks Inspector. With this seamless integration, measurement plans can be created 2 to 4 times faster, all while maintaining complete data integrity. On the shop floor, operators execute these measurement plans to collect data, which is stored in PolyWorks Data Loop, your centralized source of 3D measurement data. Finally, HQA Connect closes the loop, automatically pulling data from Data Loop to populate key reports like FAIs, PPAPs, and SPC, saving your team hours of manual work. This partnership introduces a new level of automation and interoperability that's never been seen before in manufacturing. What does that mean for you? Increased productivity, fewer errors, and automated reporting. With HQA Connect plus PolyWorks Data Loop, your people, processes, and data are connected like never before, enabling you to deliver high-quality products faster and more efficiently. If you'd like to learn more, we invite you to visit our website or reach out to your HiQA or Innometric Group representatives. We hope that you'll join us in building the future of manufacturing quality together.